UNMASK RADIANT SKIN UFO is the world's most advanced smart face mask, designed to turn your favorite 20-minute sheet mask treatment into a 90-second treat. It combines UFO-activated masks with Hyper-Infusion Technology, heating, cooling and T-sonic pulsations, and LED light therapy for a professional-level treatment at home. Heating opens the pores, T-sonic pulsations infuse active ingredients into the skin, and cryotherapy both seals the active ingredients and firms the skin. Welcome to the future. Unlike traditional sheet masks, UFO offers superior skincare results in just 90 seconds. The combination of cooling, warming and T-sonic pulsations with red, blue and green LED light therapy across preset programmed, enables you to get a relaxing, effective, professional-level spa treatment at the comfort of your home. A whole new way to mask UFO effortlessly glides across every inch of your face, activating essential ingredients in our exclusive Korean mask formulas. The UFO-activated masks are made from soft microfiber, infused with plant and fruit extracts, concentrated botanical oils and natural flower water. Each mask is paired with a pre-programmed UFO app-controlled treatment routine to boost their effects and ensure glowing skin. 90-second face treatment works in combination with the specially invented UFO-activated masks. UFO utilizes Hyper-Infusion Technology, combining heating to open pores, T-sonic pulsations to instantly infuse active ingredients more deeply into the skin, and cryotherapy to seal the active ingredients and firm the skin. UFO includes a range of LED light therapy treatments to offer 3 photofacials, including anti-aging, red LED, brightening, green LED, and anti-acne, blue LED. UFO is to be paired with the FOREO app to get the most out of the device and control T-sonic pulsations intensity, light intensity and heating/cooling. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.